Hi everybody, I'm Kate. I am a mate for the Calvert Marine Museum on both of their historic vessels. You've probably already seen on Facebook that we've got some construction going on at the Drum Point Lighthouse, and so the Tennison is safe and sound over there, but I'm out of the construction zone over here at the Laura Oyster House, where we've moved the Dee of St. and practicing some knot tying on this beautiful sunny day by myself. If you maybe want to learn a new skill while you're at home, you can follow along. I'll show you a couple knots and hitches, pretty easy, and actually show you how we use them on the boat, which I think makes it a little easier to practice because you can see how we are applying them. So the first one I want to do is a clove hitch, which is a multi-purpose hitch for tying a line to or around something. And we use it every day when we close up the boat, so I'm going to use it to tie the gate closed. So what I want to do is take my line, and I have the bitter end, the end that's not attached to anything here. I'm going to go around the thing I want to tie it to. And it does not matter if you come above or below your first wrap. What matters is that on your second wrap, you go on the other side. So for this, I came out on the top, so I'm going to cross it over and come around the bottom of that standing part, and then pull it through so my two wraps are touching each other, and it's going to come out as a diagonal lock over top of those two. We call them half hitches because the line goes around under itself. Right? Let me show you one more. Right. Come around. It came out on the top, so I'm going to cross and come around the bottom side of that standing part, my first wrap, pull it through. My two wraps are touching each other under that diagonal cross. Right? Now, that's actually how all of our fenders are tied up right here. It's also how we could tie the boat to the dock if the line was fast on the boat and we had a bitter end of our dock line to tie to the piling. There's a difference here though. In order to make this line tight to the boat, I've got a lot of extra. I could tie it the same way. I could come around, come underneath, pull all this line through. It's going to take me a while. I'm going to rub the line against the piling. Those are things I can avoid by tying the same hitch a different way. So what I'm going to do, because this has an open top, our gate didn't, and so I don't have to wrap it around, I can just drop it over. I'm going to make those half hitches in the air and then drop it. So I'm looking at where my line is coming from, and in order to make that hitch, I know I want my bitter end to be underneath. So I'm going to pull the standing part up. I'm going to put that bitter end underneath, right? You can imagine if I had just taken the line from the boat and wrapped it around the piling, the part of my hand, the bitter, would be on top of this cross. It's underneath, so I've locked it, right? To make that clove hitch, I'm going to do the same thing again. Okay? So now, just like the way we tied the gate closed, I have a diagonal lock over my two ends that are coming out in opposite directions. If you have a knot that you've always struggled with that you want to know how to tie, just let us know in the comments and maybe we'll keep learning. And I'll see y'all later. Thanks for stopping by.